On January 27, 2025, the success of R1 contributed to a dramatic sell-off in tech stocks, with companies like Nvidia experiencing drops of 17 to 18%. Investors were stunned that a relatively low-cost model could potentially disrupt a market built on massive expenditure. This reaction underscores a key point. Innovation isn't solely about spending more money, it's about spending smarter. This efficiency has real-world ramifications. Welcome to AI Tube Tactics, where today we dive into DeepSeek R1, the revolutionary model that's turning heads and rattling stock markets around the globe. Imagine an AI that not only thinks through complex problems like a human, but does so at a fraction of the cost of its American counterparts. In today's episode, we're exploring how DeepSeek R1 is challenging the giants of AI. From its innovative training methods to its open-source ethos, this model is not just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. It's essential to compare DeepSeek R1 with established giants like OpenAI and Meta, both of which have made significant strides in AI research and application. On January 27, 2025, the success of R1 contributed to a dramatic sell-off in tech stocks, with companies like Nvidia experiencing drops of 17 to 18%. Investors were stunned that a relatively low-cost model could potentially disrupt a market built on massive expenditure. This reaction underscores a key point. Innovation isn't solely about spending more money, it's about spending smarter. This efficiency has real-world ramifications. Welcome to AI Tube Tactics, where today we dive into DeepSeek R1, the revolutionary model that's turning heads and rattling stock markets around the globe. Imagine an AI that not only thinks through complex problems like a human, but does so at a fraction of the cost of its American counterparts. In today's episode, we're exploring how DeepSeek R1 is challenging the giants of AI. From its innovative training methods to its open-source ethos, this model is not just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. It's essential to compare DeepSeek R1 with established giants like OpenAI and Meta, both of which have made significant strides in AI research and application. In the last video, I did mention how DeepSeek R1 was able to rock the world of the larger corporations. So, stick around as we unravel the competitive dynamics between DeepSeek R1, OpenAI, and Meta, and what it means for the future of AI. What is DeepSeek R1? DeepSeek R1 is a state-of-the-art large language model developed by the Chinese AI startup DeepSeek, which was spun off from a leading hedge fund. Launched on January 20th, 2025, R1 builds on the advanced DeepSeek v3 architecture and is engineered specifically for reasoning tasks. What sets R1 apart is its chain-of-thought approach. Instead of simply outputting an answer, R1 takes you on a journey through its internal reasoning process. This transparency not only boosts accuracy, but also lets developers understand exactly how the AI arrives at its conclusions. I will give a typical scenario here. Back in the day, when trying to solve a mathematical equation, my teacher always said then, you have to show the class, step by step, of how you are going to arrive at the final answer. I also remembered, if you don't show your calculations step by step, you don't get full marks even if your answer was correct. Good old days. Let's continue. Moreover, DeepSeek is fully committed to openness. The company has released R1 under an MIT license, allowing researchers and developers worldwide to access, modify, and build upon its technology without the hefty subscription fees seen in commercial models. This move is set to democratize advanced AI and completely change the landscape of AI and global tech. DeepSeek also leveraged a process called model distillation. After training the full-scale R1 model, the team generated a curated dataset of around 800,000 data points. Using this data, they fine-tuned smaller versions of R1 that still pack impressive reasoning power, but can run on consumer-grade hardware like smartphones or personal PCs. Enough said about DeepSeek R1, let's move on to OpenAI, a leader in AI innovation. OpenAI has firmly established itself as a leader in the field of artificial intelligence, thanks to its groundbreaking contributions and innovative products. Among its flagship offerings, ChatGPT has revolutionized the way we interact with machines, providing users with a conversational AI that can understand and generate human-like text. Similarly, DALL-E has captured imaginations by generating stunning images from textual descriptions, showcasing the potential of AI in creative fields. Ethical considerations are at the forefront of OpenAI's mission. The organization also have massive safety measures to ensure that its technologies are used responsibly and do not cause any harm. By prioritizing transparency and accountability, OpenAI aims to address concerns related to bias, misinformation, and the potential misuse of AI. Meta's approach to AI development. Meta has taken a proactive stance in the realm of artificial intelligence, focusing on innovative strategies that enhance user experience across its platforms. These advancements enable more nuanced understanding of user interactions, allowing for better engagement and personalized experiences. This vision has profound implications for users, as it promises a more personalized and engaging online experience. Looking ahead, Meta envisions a future where AI plays a central role in connecting people and fostering communities. Meta is not only shaping the future by prioritizing AI development, but also setting the stage for a more interconnected digital world. Let's now go on to comparison, that is. DeepSeek R1 versus US AI agents. When we talk about high-performance AI, the conversation in the US typically revolves around giants like OpenAI, Meta, and Anthropic. These companies have built models that often require enormous financial investments and thousands of state-of-the-art GPUs. For instance, OpenAI's latest models can cost billions in infrastructure and research funding. In stark contrast, DeepSeek R1 achieves comparable, if not superior, results in reasoning tasks while operating on roughly 1/25th of the resources. Is this possible? The answer lies in efficiency and smart engineering. Also, there are some speculations that one might have stolen from another, but we don't know how true that is, so let's keep that in mind. DeepSeek R1 utilizes advanced reinforcement learning techniques that let the model think longer and allocate more compute time to complex problems, rather than simply scaling up the number of parameters or the computing hardware. This clever use of test-time compute means that DeepSeek R1 can generate detailed couple of responses, leading to higher quality answers, especially in difficult endeavors like mathematics and coding. User experiences also vary significantly across these platforms. Feedback indicates that while all three platforms are powerful, they cater to different user needs and preferences. DeepSeek R1 users often praise its speed and accuracy in data analysis, which enhances decision-making processes. In terms of market positioning, DeepSeek R1 is carving out a niche in enterprise solutions, while OpenAI maintains a strong presence in creative and conversational AI. Meta, on the other hand, is focused on integrating AI into its vast social media ecosystem. Market impact and geopolitical implications. DeepSeek R1 isn't just making waves in the AI research community, it's sending shockwaves through global financial markets. The launch of its free chatbot app, powered by R1, saw the model surpass ChatGPT as the most downloaded free app on the iOS App Store in the United States, the home of AI giants. Moreover, the open-source nature of R1 could disrupt traditional business models. By making advanced technology freely available under an MIT license, DeepSeek is challenging U.S. companies that rely on costly subscription models. OpenAI charges around $200 a month for premium access to its cutting-edge models. Developers and businesses might soon opt for the free and adaptable DeepSeek R1, potentially squeezing profit margins and altering investment incentives in the AI space. As a business owner, I would definitely be looking for avenues to cut cost and save money where possible. The future of AI and what it means for us. The future landscape of AI technology is poised for transformative changes, with several emerging trends that could significantly impact DeepSeek R1 and its competitors. One notable trend is the increasing integration of AI into everyday applications, making it more accessible for businesses of all sizes. On a geopolitical level, DeepSeek's success is a wake-up call. With U.S. export restrictions on advanced semiconductor technology intended to hold back Chinese advancements, DeepSeek R1 proves that innovation can still thrive under constraints. So where does this leave the global AI race? DeepSeek R1 marks a significant turning point. This paradigm shift opens the door for a more inclusive and competitive global AI ecosystem, where smaller players have the chance to innovate and disrupt the status quo. Despite these concerns, the overall impact of DeepSeek R1 on the future of AI is undeniable. By proving that state-of-the-art reasoning can be achieved cost-effectively, DeepSeek is setting the stage for a new era of AI innovation. This could lead to the development of powerful models that can run on consumer hardware, making advanced AI accessible to a broader audience, from individual developers to small businesses. As U.S. policymakers and tech companies scramble to adjust to this new reality, one thing is clear: the AI landscape is rapidly evolving, and the era of monopolistic dominance in AI is giving way to a more multipolar open-source future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts on DeepSeek R1, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Tube Tactics for more in-depth analysis of the latest trends in AI and how we can profit from AI in this century. Let us know in the comments, do you believe that cost-efficient, open-source AI models are the future? And what does that mean for the global tech landscape? Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more cutting-edge AI insights right here on AI Tube Tactics. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve.